Probability, determination of the number of possibilities. Experiment, activities for which the outcome cannot be predicted with certainty. Sample space, set of all possible outcomes. Sample point, each individual element or outcome in a sample space. Example 1. Consider the activity of rolling a die. What is the possibility of getting an odd number? What is the possibility of getting a perfect square numbers? Ito yung sagot. Sample space. What is the possibility of getting an odd number? Ayun. Ito yung surface niya. Diba yung die, meron siyang 6 surface. Yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Siya ay 6. Yung sample space. Tapos, dito, what is the possibility of getting an odd number? Ito yun. Ang odd number, 1, 3, at 5. Kaya siya naging 3. Tapos, what is the possibility of getting a perfect square numbers? Dito sa pamimilian na 1 to 6, ang perfect square numbers ay 1 at 4. Anong perfect square numbers? Ito yung pag tinimes mo ang, kuwari, 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3. Ngayon, kuwari, 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. Wala namang 9 dito, kaya, yun, 1 at 4 lang nandito, kaya 2. Tapos, dito sa number 2, if a pair of a dice is rolled, then determine the number of a sample points of the following. Sample space. Ito yan. Pair of a dice. Yung isang pair ng dice, ang surface niya ay 6. Tapos yung isa ay 6. Kapag tinimes mo siya, 36. Ito yun. Sample space. Then, event of getting a sum of 5. Dun sa 6, ano yung mga posibilidad na magkaroon ka ng sum of 5? Ito yun. Yung i-add mo si 1 at 4 equals 5, 3 at 2, 5, 2 at 3, 5 din, 4 at 1. Yun. Yun yung mga pag in-add mo ay nagiging 5. 4 lang sila. Tingnan nyo, hindi naman pwedeng 5 plus 0 kasi wala nga namang 0 sa dice. Yun. Tapos, dito naman sa C, event of getting a sum of at most 4. Yung at most, pinakamataas na yung 4. Kaya, C, 1. Yun. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then, 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 3, 4. 3 and 1, 4. 2 and 1, 3. 2 and 2, 4. Yun. Pinakamataas niya ay 4. C1, hindi na pwedeng ulitin yan. Kasi kapag nag-roll ka ng dice, parehas ng 1, hindi na pwedeng pagbalik ta rin yan. Nagaya nitong 1 at 3 at 3 at 1. Yan. Pinila mo siya ay 6. Yan, kaya 6 mo sagot dito. Probability definition 2. The chance that an event will happen. Ito yung formula niya. For example, a student in a statistics class was able to compute the probability of passing the subject to be equal to 0.46. Based on the information, what is the probability that he will not pass the subject? Ito yun. Kinuha lang natin dito sa taas kanina. Tapos, siya ay magiging 1 minus 0.46. Sagot ay 0.54. Yun yung probability, yung chances na siya ay babagsak, not pass. 0.54. Ito naman sa number 2. If a coin is tossed, what's the probability of getting ahead? Ito yun. Ito yung sample space niya. Yung pamimilian ay 2. Yung head or tail. Then, to head. Ang kailangan natin ay isa lang, head. Then, ito yun. Yung head, ilan ba yung kailangan natin? Isa lang. Ilan ba yung choices? 2. Kaya siya naging 1/2. Or 0.5 or 50%. 50% yung chance na makakuha ka ng head. Yan. Sa number 3, if 2 coins are tossed, what is the probability of getting both heads? Yan. 2 coins are tossed. Yung dalawang coins, may posibilidad na dalawang head, dalawang tail, head, tail, and tail at head. Yung pamimilian ay 4. Ang kailangan lang natin ay getting both heads, dalawang heads. Kaya dito yan, isa yun. Tapos, ito yung formula niya. Kailangan natin ay dalawang heads. Kaya naging isa dito. Then, ilan ba yung sample space niya? 4. Sagot ay 0.25 or 25%. If a dice rolled, what is the probability of getting A? And add numbers. Ito yun. Ito yung sample space niya. 6 yun. Diba yung sa die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ito yun, 6 yun. Tapos, ang kailangan lang natin ay add numbers. Kaya siya naging 3. Gawa nung ang add number ay 1, 3, at 5. Doon sa 1 to 6. Then, ito yung add number. Tapos, itong 6, ito yung sample space. Kaya siya naging 3, 6, or 1/2, or 50%. Ito yung sagot, 50%. Then, B, uneven numbers. Ito yun. Yung 3, siya yung even numbers. Ano ba yung even numbers sa 1 to 6? Siya yung 2, 4, 6. Yun, kaya siya naging 3. The same din siya nung sa add. Ayun, 50% din. A perfect square. Yung perfect square, yun nga yung kanina. Ang perfect square niya ay 1 at 4. Itong C, ito yung perfect square, siya yung 2. Then, sample space ay 6. Ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kaya siya naging 6. 2, 6, or 1/3. Yan. Ito yung sagot niya. Or 0.3 or 30%.